Hey everyone, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm doing something different that you normally see me do. I'm actually doing making a dirty pour painting. And what dirty pour painting is when you take acrylic paints, you take water, Flotrol, and rubbing alcohol, or that's the recipe that I used, and also some silicone. There's numerous different ways you can do dirty pork paint mix recipes. They're all over YouTube. And I can put the recipe down in the description box below so that if you're interested, you can get the recipe from me, how I did mine. Like I said, there's different ways. So you just go through and you mix all your colors together and you just plop it down on your canvas. Now in this case I used a canvas board and not a canvas because it was just for demonstration purposes only, and I was just playing around. So I would recommend you use a canvas because canvas boards kind of warp due to the moisture and everything. This type of art, dirty pour paintings, remind me of making soap because you never know what you're going to get when you make soap. Just as this painting, you never know what it's going to come out until the end. Just like making soap. You make soap, put it in the mold, slice it up, and then you see the next day what kind of colors you got. So you take your paint after you have them all mixed in, and I did 2 cups. The other cup will be used on another video that I'm going to put on here. And you take it and plop it on your board or whatever, piece of surface you want to put it on. You can also do this on furniture. You can do it on, other items. But I chose to do it on a canvas board just for demonstration purposes and having fun playing around with art. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide around the paint on the board. And of course, if you have a canvas, you want to slide it around and let it roll off each of the sides of the canvas. And it's going to change its pattern. It's going to change its colors. Some of the colors may disappear. Some may pop out more than others. You just never know. So it does make a mess. So what I do is I put plastic down underneath me. I use paper cups so it's easy cleanup. So that's just about it, and you just let it kind of do its thing. Now a lot of people put resin on it after they let it dry for a few days. Some people put polyacrylic on it. So you can do whatever you want to do, but these paintings are so fun, and I say they're relaxing because to me it's just something about popping the paint on the canvas and watching it roll around and kind of develop in its own little mixture of swirls and cells that open up, and it's just really cool. So if y'all want to give it a try, I'll put the recipe that I used in the description box below. Thank y'all for watching this little video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified when I post new videos. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.